ever heard about the benefits of aloe vera? It helps accelerate healing, especially sunburns, improves digestion by stimulating the secretion of digestive enzymes and neutralizing stomach acids, has anti-inflammatory effects, and can improve diseases like arthritis, bursitis, and tendinitis. Alleviates constipation by increasing the liquids in the intestine, stimulating bowel movements. Maintains the body hydrated, preventing dehydration. Helps improve the immune system thanks to vitamin C and has antiviral action, stimulating cell activity in the immune system. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Improves hair and skin quality thanks to bioactive substances such as antioxidants and vitamins that reduce cell damage and have an anti-aging effect, improving skin issues like acne, eczema, and psoriasis. Aids in the treatment of herpes simplex, herpes zosters, and candidiasis thanks to its antiviral, antibacterial, and antiseptic effects. It also regulates blood sugar levels and contributes to weight loss because it contains fibers and enzymes that help decompose sugar and fats. See how to make aloe vera juice at home. To make aloe juice at home, cut the leaves from the plant, wash them, and remove the thorns. Then cut out the yellow part of the leaves, where there are toxic substances. Discard the leaf using only the white gel. After that, put the gel in a blender, following the proportion of 3.52 ounces of gel to 34 ounces of water. If you want, add 1 tablespoon of honey and citrus fruit, like lemon or orange, to make it tastier. Mix and drink. This juice isn't recommended for pregnant women, the elderly, and people who take medicine to control blood pressure or treat heart issues. Some studies suggest that homemade aloe juice isn't safe for consumption if you don't remove the skin and yellow parts, which contain anthraquinone, a substance linked to the appearance of adenomas and colon cancer. However, these studies aren't conclusive, and other ones are necessary to prove these data. So what about trying? Try it